Hello and welcome to today's Dalal Street Week Ahead video. Now in today's Dalal Street Week Ahead video, we'll be taking a look at two stocks. I'm taking a look at Maruti Suzuki and I'm taking a look at Mahindra Mahindra. Both of them I'm taking the look perspective from what an equity trader should do with it and what an F&O trader should do with it. But before we go into all of that, let's take a look at the news affecting our markets this week. Now coming to the news front, I believe Monday is going to set the tone for the rest of the week, as Monday is a very heavy news and data day. Why I say that is on the local front, yes, we'll be reacting to the auto sales data and all, but that comes secondary. What is the main thing to watch is the general election results of the legislative assemblies for Assam, for Kerala, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal are coming out on Monday. So that's going to hugely impact the markets and it's going to create a lot of intraday volatility. Then on the international front, the markets, global markets and commodity markets are going to be reacting to China's stance, as America has been doing its normal nonsense under Trump of sanctions, and China has told four of its largest refineries, just don't care about it, don't bother, continue functioning as you are. Basically the US sanctions are practically going to be evaded. So this is going to make it very interesting, as Trump is also going in the coming but I think 1.5 weeks he'll be going to China. So it makes this whole meet very interesting, as China has basically told the US to go to hell in terms of its sanctions. You do what you want. So the markets are going to react to that, and that will naturally affect our markets too. So that's why I say I expect Monday to be a very heavy moving thing. On the local front, we have the elections results, which is a very important event, high impact event. And then we have that on the international, which is a high impact event. So all that should create a lot of intraday volatility. So if you're not quick on the feet and you don't have the right indicators, you don't have the right knowledge, I would say you avoid Monday. But the ones who have the knowledge and the right tools, Monday is going to be, I think, a gold mine for intraday trading in terms of up and down swings, catching them. So I expect Monday to set the tone for the rest of the week, but it's going to be one which is very volatile initially. Now let's move on to the stocks. I'll cover Maruti first, then I'll cover Mahindra and Mahindra. Now coming to Maruti, if you watched my prior video, the levels are pretty similar. On the support front, I have not changed anything. This year, as I had said that time, there is a very important support of 12,920, and I expect it until it breaks that, it cannot go down. Maruti Suzuki has followed that plan, as the whole of the previous week and even the week before, it has not been able to go below 12,920 rupees. Now, my trading plan for Maruti is going to be based a lot on the technicals plus what the auto sales data shows. Now, auto sales data for Maruti has shown Maruti has had an excellent time, as the numbers are very good. Now, that will most likely push it out of the box range, which has been trading of 13,520 to 12,920. So my trading plan is pretty simple. I will still respect the box range. As long as you're within this range, I'm still not going to go long or short. If we break 13,520, then we'll be going long to 13,920. If we break that, then we go to 4,300. But naturally, I expect this to be a very strong resistance, as if it clears this, then it's going to 14,300, and it reaches 14,300, it has the possibility to go until 14,700. But that's something we're going to have to watch as the levels clear. Anyone who's been watching my videos for long knows that as the levels clear, that's when I move my trading plan. So that is how I'm going to function this way. So I am bullish on Maruti Suzuki. Believe it's going to be going towards 39.20 quite certainly. High probability of that happening. If it reaches that, then we have to look at the next target. If the trend catcher and the volume indicator support it, then it will be going to 14,300. On the downside, as long as it is above 12,920, the bullish story stays intact. So that's it for Maruti Suzuki. Let's take a look at Mahindra Mahindra now. Now Mahindra Mahindra has also been having a rough time. Mahindra Mahindra has been on a path of constant decline, but now the auto sales data shows Mahindra Mahindra has done well in the EV segment, it's done well in this other segment. Numbers are good. Generally, the auto sales numbers which were released on 1st May across the sector are good. In fact, the so good that I'm starting to doubt them. But that is a different aspect. Now, coming to my trading plan, now Mahindra Mahindra is an important support at 3040. As long as that holds, most likely it's going to be trying to head upwards. If it by chance it breaks that, then it goes to 2955. But as I said, I'm looking at it more from a bullish perspective right now. So if it breaks 3150, then it's a long to 3260 and 3300. If it breaks that, 3380. Now, due to Mahindra Mahindra being the chart pattern it is and the strength, I think the maximum it can go in one easy swing is until this point. To reach here, it's going to need a lot of bullish strength, which I don't think it has yet. So Mahindra Mahindra, if I go long on it, number one, it has to break this. It has to get support from the volume, not that much from the trend catcher, that's already had a sort of a crossover, but it has to get support from this, and then my target will be this. Once it reaches this zone, I'll be out. It can go till there, but I will not want to stretch my risk parameters until there. So my aim is break of 3150, I go long till here. But I will only enter Mahindra Mahindra on a bullish stance if it breaks 3150. And if it by chance it goes on the other way and breaks 3040, I will not short it, as 2955 is a very, very strong support, as the risk reward will not be good in that aspect. So overall, on both the auto stocks, I am bullish. After quite some time, I'm putting a video which I am positive about the thing, and most of the previous videos have been shorts and they've worked very well. But let's see how this picture works out, because also with this auto sales data market reacting, we have to understand the election results are coming out too. So the election results are going to have an impact on these two stocks also. So that's why I said Monday can be volatile. So Monday cannot be fully trusted even in these two stocks. You have to take it in a bit of a measured approach. But I am bullish on them, and let's see how the picture goes. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.